Hey everybody, welcome back to the Bimmer barn. Today we're headed out to the junkyard and we're actually driving the E46 wagon because I saw that they have some fresh cars at the lot that hopefully have some really cool parts on them. So I'm not going to spoil it for you because I feel like I would be jinxing myself, because then we'll get to the junkyard and the parts that we're looking for are gone. But we got some good upgrades potentially for the E46. I do need a couple of like finishing parts and trim pieces for this thing. And then hopefully some E39 parts as well, because I really want to make some more retrofit videos. So I'm hoping that we can get some cool parts today to make some really cool future content with. So let's go ahead and get to the junkyard really quick and let's check out these cars. By the way guys, I'm not usually the person to vlog and drive, but I just have to say that after replacing the DMTL pump and the oxygen sensor and whatever the third item was, I forget what it was, we've done about 34 miles now, check engine light free. So I'm hoping that we continue this streak here. We don't have any issues. I got my cruise control set. The car drives really straight, but obviously here the roads in Florida, you know, they're a little bit slanted. You can probably tell on video even. But yeah, this car drives really smooth. All the tires are super well balanced. The suspension is solid, no play. And I'm just super proud of how this thing drives. It actually drives a little smoother than my M5, but I think that's because the wheels on my M5 aren't balanced. So anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. Super proud of how the car drives now. And now all we have to do is some cosmetic finishing mods and it'll be for sale soon. So first things first, we've got this E38. This is a late model, so it was produced after 99, which means that it should have the illuminated shift knobs. The car just came into the lot yesterday, sweet. So it's got the whole interior, and let's check for the that's what it is, the illuminated door handles. That's what I meant to say. So you can see the little light right there. So we're gonna have to pull this door panel off. I wanna grab all of these handles because they're supposed to be a direct retrofit into the E39 chassis. Hopefully we don't have any issues getting those out. And oh my God, look, this thing came with the factory LCD screens up here. That's crazy. I wonder if we can get in the back seat here. Door's locked. Maybe I can open it from the inside. What the heck? Come on. Guys, can someone tell me if I should pull these off of this car? And I will if I have to, but this would be a super cool retrofit in the E39. What does it say? Sound stream. So I don't know how to get these open. Maybe there's like, oh, there it is. All right, and then let me put the camera. Oh, those look pretty good. I like that. All right, I need to do some research and see if this is an OEM part. And here is car number 2. This is an E46 330 XI. Actually has the same wheels as the ones we have, but these ones are super curved up. I was thinking about pulling them off and maybe trying to sell them to someone, but yeah, I don't think that they're worth it. I already pulled the hood badge off, but I think I'm gonna grab these chrome grills. I really like them. And the xenon headlights. So this is what I was really excited. Made this worth the 1 hour drive for sure. Xenon headlights, guys. They look like they're in good condition, no cracks or anything. Just need to pull a couple of bolts off and they should be a direct retrofit into our car. Now here inside the car, I do want to grab some additional pieces, but the e-brake boot we're going to grab as well because mine broke. I'm thinking about pulling all of this wood trim off because it looks pretty good. I probably wouldn't mind the wood trim. Actually, you know what? It does have these cracks here. I don't know if I'll pull them off. But yeah, this car's in great condition. Just got in the yard this morning, which is why it has the headlights and most of the pieces still. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull off some parts and then I'll show you guys what we got. let's open the trunk. No way. Check out these mats. These look like BMW original mats, a little bit torn up. I don't have any in my wagon though. I'm really considering right now grabbing these ones. They're a little bit torn up. They are genuine, which is nice. I don't have any. I wonder if they could give them to me for a really good deal. And all of them are here. They probably just need to be carpet cleaned and cleaned up a little bit, honestly. This is so funny that I was just thinking the other day, man, should I buy some mats? They're $100, but you know, do they really add value to the car? So I don't know, let's see if we can get these for a good deal. All right, and now the toolkit. These are usually opened and I haven't opened it yet. So we're gonna be opening it for the first time together on camera. Let's see what's in here. Oh my God, a full toolkit besides the tow hook, which obviously, you know, this car got towed in here. So, oh man, look at how minty these tools look. Guys, should I? Oh man, I feel like I should, but I don't know if I should. Oh, there's the tow hook. Man, that's a complete set right there. Guys, I feel like I should take this, but I was just checking the prices on eBay and they're not worth that much. So I don't really feel like paying for this kit, and I don't have anything to put it in. I don't have an E46 sedan, and I think the E46 wagon doesn't use a full toolkit like this, but it is really cool just seeing the BMW badges on all these tools. So hey, I'll go ahead and close this, and maybe the next person needs them more than I do, but good luck to you folks. So now I'm pulling off these lit door handles. Literally, they're lit. And you just have to remove the one Phillips head screwdriver right there, and then you can kind of get it loose. And then you're going to have to very carefully, because you don't want to break this optical piece right here. You want to very carefully unhook the loop here, and then cut the wire, and you know, probably pull as much out of here as possible, because you're gonna have to splice that into your new door panel. So we're gonna go ahead and use the pliers that I have to get the hook out, and then do that with the rest of them. I already have one out right here, so 3 more to go. Time to get a better look at these LCDs here, and looks like they're probably not OEM Soundstream. Class 1, sorry, laser product. What? Laser product? There's lasers in this thing. I wonder if this is standalone, if you could like easily retrofit it to another car. It is pretty cool, I have to say. If this was black, it would definitely be an easy retrofit. But man, pretty cool, pretty cool. Headliner is definitely sagging a little bit because of it. But hey, you know what? I think it's worth it. I mean, look at this long wheelbase, how much room I have. Imagine being able to watch your favorite Pixar movie, Finding Nemo, on this beautiful screen while dad drives you to school. Wouldn't that be great? All right, so I just got one off, and unfortunately, since these cars have like the electronic locks, you know, you can go ahead and pull on the door handle, but it's not gonna unlock or open the door. So unfortunately, to get these door handles out, if you're like me and you're stuck in this situation, you're gonna have to pull on the door in order to get behind it, and that'll give you access to the cable so you can unhook it, unlatch it. I'm just gonna cut mine because that's the easiest way. And since these doors are locked shut anyways, there's no point in leaving the door handles in because it's not helping anyone. So just see if we can pull this thing. Oh, this one's difficult. And then you can see the cable all the way down there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off so we can get this thing out.
3,000 years later.
All 4 door handles acquired. So here's our total haul. We've got the xenon headlights. I think these were like 30 bucks a piece. I've got all 4 of the E38 door handles, and these were like, I think like $10 a piece. So, you know, decent money. I got a camber bolt because mine is a little bit worn, I think a little rusty, so I just want to replace it. Got one of these cool flashlights. I know that they're pretty hard to find, so figure we grab it. Hood emblem. Got a leather shift boot because mine broke, unfortunately, but you know, we're gonna replace it with this one, and got the leather handle as well. And also this transmission cross member, because on mine, these things, they actually broke off, and I figure instead of trying to tap them out and go through all that work. I'll just replace a whole bracket with one that's good. And this was 12 bucks right here. So ended up spending about $130 today, but I think it's more than worth it for the headlights because these are gonna polish up great and they're gonna look awesome on the wagon. Man, I almost forgot these floor mats. I had to go run back and grab them because these things are $2.60 a piece. So I figure for 10 bucks, it's worth it. Even though they're probably not in the best condition, might as well grab them. Funny enough, we found another 325 Xi here at the junkyard to match mine. This is Mario right here, and we were literally at each other's throats competing for parts. But not really. No, he's got an awesome car. He's a BMW enthusiast too. So really cool to meet up with him at the junkyard and have seen the exact same car. So that's going to conclude our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I definitely had a good time at the junkyard today. You know, we got in early, so it was still cool here in the morning in Florida, and got some parts off. Paid a little bit more than I was expecting to, but we got a lot of stuff today, and I'm glad that we got the floor mats. I'm glad that we got the headlights, those cool E39 handles. That's going to be a really cool retrofit, so stay tuned for that video for sure. And let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you want to see more trips to the junkyard. I know, you know, some people like them, some people don't, but it's definitely an adventure, and I really enjoy the thrill of the hunt, as they say. So go ahead and leave a like down below, comment what you think, or if you're excited to see some of these retrofits coming up, and subscribe to the channel if you're new and you haven't yet. As always, I hope everyone has an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video.